Now, my mom has never been in this car since we big turbo, which has been a minute. Like, it's been years. She's never been in this car. So now that I'm finally gonna get her inside this car, I want to film her reaction to this car. All right, let's go.
You got the thing for the garage?
Yeah, it's in the car. All right.
I'm hungry too, starving, haven't had lunch yet.
Okay. All right, let's set up the GoPro. I don't think you've ever been in this car since we went big turbo, huh?
No, and the last time I came in here, you scared me half to death.
But that was, I think we were on the stock turbo still. So that was years ago. Wow. Haven't been in your own son's car. Get some sound in
I forgot you gotta crawl over bumps.
it. Well.
So how you feel?
Oh, I can't wait.
Feel excited?
Yep. Last payment.
I know. That's a blessing.
Yep.
Awesome, man. Your dad's so proud of you. So your other car would be fast like this or faster?
The other car's gonna be faster, way faster.
Really?
Yeah. This car has like 400 horsepower. The other car's gonna have 600, so we're gonna have 200 more horsepower.
You don't want to take me for a ride.
Well, you have to go right in that car.
Nope.
That's an experience.
Nope.
You have to. It's gonna be sick.
Well, I'll ride it as long as I stay at a good speed.
Yeah, what's a good speed? Like what? It's 40 miles per hour.
The speed limit. when you gonna test it?
So that car, I gotta order the base tune in order to start it. I gotta start it to put coolant in it, power steering, all that stuff. Make sure there's no leaks, and then we get it tuned next month. Because I originally was gonna go to SoCal and get it tuned, but I was telling Chris, I was thinking about it. I said this is financially not a good idea because I'll spend all that money to tow it down there, and then if I go out there and have problems, then I'll be out that money.
Yeah, that's
I'll come back, fix it, probably, you know what I mean? So he comes to the Bay Area, so I'll just get it tuned in the Bay Area. I have AAA, so I have free towing. So
Oh, he's coming to the Bay Area?
yeah, because he travels.
Oh, okay.
At least in California, he goes to the Bay Area and then he goes to SoCal.
Be careful because these trucks drop rocks.
Oh, I know. I'm about to pass him right now. Stop it. It wasn't that bad. That wasn't that bad.
Oh my gosh.
Gotta turn off traction control.
Don't pass this car.
Well, he's going slow. I'm gonna have to pass him.
No.
Absolutely.
Isn't it nice when you pay off a car knowing it looks like this?
Yeah.
You know, it's not because some people pay off cars all raggedy,
Busted, yeah.
busted, needs this, needs that. But yours is like just spot on.
It's funny though because like the whole time I've owned the Nismo, like it never really felt like I owned that car because I never drove it. Ever.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so now that we're working on it, it doesn't even feel like I'm working on my car. It's like I'm working on somebody else's car. Gotta do pools, mom. It's birthday pools.
No.
That's what they call them, birthday pools. like, this is the perfect time to get her into a car. The perfect time.
My mind kept saying drive.
Makes me smile.
What?
Makes me smile.
Don't make
Come on.
me smile.
Speed is fun.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Speed is dangerous.
It actually, one of the things that makes having a fast car important, it gets you out of situations. I've been in those situations where you have to get out quick, and the slow car will literally just
Okay, like give me an example.
fail. It'll fold on you.
Like give me an example.
Like a red light, a car trying to merge in your lane. I don't know. I can't think. That's like the top two I can think
What
of.
are you trying to say? Like it'll prevent it from hitting you? Or?
Yeah, it'll prevent them from hitting you. Like, saying a car's, I don't know, I can't even think of a scenario right now. But like, I've had some in the past. I can't remember what they were, but I remember thinking like, dang, if this car wasn't fast, like, okay, like even like passing people up, like, say like you're in a rush and there's like 5 cars in a truck because you know people are dumb, they don't want to pass the truck, they just create traffic. You know what I mean? Like right behind the truck, you're in a rush. But there's constantly cars coming. Having a fast car allows you to go past those 5 cars in that truck and still, you know what I mean, like clear the other side.
Okay, but would it ever fail on you?
What do you mean?
Like you're passing, you got all that power, would it just fail on you?
No. No. This car pulls hard.
I see. Why does it do that?
It's power. Power, baby. Just think how the Nismo's gonna feel. I fell in love with the car for how it looks.
It's a beautiful car.
And the color, just oof.
I love that car.
Yeah, so the fact that we're adding a single turbo and it's going fast, it's just, I honestly think that that's probably going to be my favorite car. I really think it is.
Beautiful. I love looking at it. It's like your grand said, what's that? What's that turbo? What does that mean? I said, don't worry about it. You don't want to know. You know how you are about your grandson. But don't get you on an open road, huh?
No, I do have to be careful too.
Yes.
Because this car has camber now, so the wheels aren't like 100% planted on the ground.
Yeah.
So like if I'm not careful, you will get like some swing, like some what they call fishtailing.
We're back.
Yeah, like we're like here, I'll show you an example.
Oh, to get that.
You feel that?
Yeah.
How like when I turn, but it goes like this.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you gotta be careful.
So what's your next project? Like are you have your eye on another car after you done with the Nismo? Yeah.
I don't know. Honestly, what I really want to do, but of course there's other cars out there that I want to build, but my main focus after the Nismo is done is saving up and buying like a condo. Because I will already have 2 cars that I can make content with.
Yeah.
And I want to start getting into like collabing with other people.
Yeah.
Like other creators.
Yeah.
But I really want a condo down in SoCal. I really do. Like I don't want a house, I want a condo. Like eventually I want a house, but like as my first, purchase,
That's
I want a condo.
Yeah.
That's really gonna be my main focus. But after all that's said and done, I want to build a BMW. A 2-door. Yeah, it's a 2-door. It's a 2-door BMW. It's an M3. They call it E92.
Oh, so you have your eye on that one down below.
Yeah, that's next.
So like a used one.
Because I was actually gonna buy that E92 M3. I was gonna buy that one before I bought the Nismo, but I was like, I'm not trying to spend that much money on the car. And then the Nismo, and I was like, oh shoot, I spent just that much.
Yeah, because you really did your research on that.
On the Nismo, yeah.
Found that car.
It's funny because I didn't even know, like I never paid attention to them until I saw one day. Like all my years on this earth, being into cars for years and years, like one day I saw the 317 this one, I was like, I have to have that car.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Just hold up. Why are we going slow?
Yeah, it's a beautiful car, bro. I love that car. When you bought that car, I was like, whoa.
Yeah.
I like the color and everything.
Yeah. Alright, come on, we have to do one last pull. Light screen too. Perfect. Ready? Make the light, make the light. Smell the E85?
Yes, I do.
Yep, it smells just like corn, huh?
What is that? That's the half and half?
Yeah, that special gas stuff in there. So we are back at home. This was just a quick little video that I did want to film for you guys. I will catch you in the next video. Peace out. Stay safe and stay tuned.
No flex. I done dropped a couple bands on it, brand new Rolex. I can pop a couple bands on you, girl, you know that. Once she get the poppin', I like way to go. We gon' get it poppin' on the radio. Turned out, now it's going down.